Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to use screen zoom on a Mac. So, let's get started. To access the screen zoom feature, you will need to navigate to your Mac system preferences. Once there, go to the accessibility section and find zoom on the left-hand side. It is worth noting that you can enable zoom using either a keyboard shortcut or a trackpad gesture. The default keyboard shortcut is Option plus Command plus 8. Additionally, you can adjust the zoom level on the fly using the keyboard shortcuts Open plus Command plus or minus equals to zoom in or out, respectively. For this tutorial, we will focus on the keyboard shortcuts. Within the zoom settings, you will discover three distinct zoom styles: picture-in-picture, split screen, and full screen. Let's delve into each one. Picture-in-picture creates a movable zoom window on your screen, allowing you to zoom in on specific areas. You can customize the behavior of the zoom window by accessing the advanced setting. The advanced settings offer fine-grained control over how the zoom window moves in relation to your pointer. You can choose from three options: only when the pointer reaches an edge, continuously with the pointer, or pointer is at or near the center of the zoom image. Beyond this, you can fine-tune the zoom level using keyboard shortcuts, adjust the speed of zooming, and even invert colors for improved contrast. The Smooth Images option enhances image quality, and there's an option to make the zoom window flash when a notification appears outside the zoom area. To keep the zoom window stationary, enable Keep the Zoom Window Stationary. Use the Adjust Size and Location button to move and resize the zoom window as needed. Let us explore the myriad keyboard shortcuts and controls that screen zoom offers. You can enable temporary zoom by holding the Control and Options keys, which is incredibly handy for quick close-ups. Another option allows you to detach the zoom viewer from the pointer by holding Control and Command, allowing you to toggle between two modes seamlessly. Keyboard shortcuts also let you adjust the zoom window size and position with precision. Set a maximum and minimum zoom range to suit your preferences. And under Follow Focus, configure how the zoom window behaves when typing or interacting with the screen while zoom in. In addition to picture-in-picture mode, screen zoom offers two other zoom styles: split screen and full screen. In split screen mode, your screen is divided into two sections, with one acting as a zoom-in area. Advanced settings allow you to customize the size and placement of the zoom area. On the other hand, full screen mode magnifies the entire screen, following your pointer as you move around. This mode can be particularly useful when you need a broader view. For users with multiple displays, screen zoom provides the option to choose which display is zoomed in when using full screen mode. These features allow you to focus your zoom on a secondary display while keeping your primary display unaltered, enhancing your multitasking capabilities. Now that you have a thorough understanding of screen zoom's features and settings, let's explore some practical use cases. Screen zoom can be a game changer for individuals with visual impairments, allowing them to magnify text and content for easier reading. It is also a valuable tool for designers and video editors who need precise control over pixel-level adjustments. Additionally, teachers and presenters can use screen zoom to emphasize specific areas of their screen when delivering lessons or presentations. In conclusion, screen zoom is a versatile feature that empowers Mac users to tailor their screen magnification experience to their unique needs. Whether you require a closer look at intricate details or want to enhance accessibility, screen zoom has you covered. Feel free to experiment with the different styles and settings to discover the configuration that suits you best. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the screen zoom feature on your Mac. We hope you found this tutorial informative and that it enhances your Mac experience. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials and tips to make the most of your devices. Until next time, embrace the power of screen zoom and make your Mac work smarter for you.